I've done a terrible job filming, but hello, welcome or welcome back. My name is Carlee. This is either video 3 or the third part of our 3-day flying across country adventure. This is my 1967 172H. It's sick, I love it. And we have flown from California and we are presently in Alabaster, Alabama. And we're going to New Jersey today. So literally coast to coast, we've seen both oceans. We're living it up, but we're heading out of here. On our third quart of oil. Wow. $4.90, right? Whoa! Zero in a row for me. Go so fast. In you go.
Still on both. Master on. Clear.
All right, here we are again.
Shelby County Airport, Alabaster, Alabama. Automated weather observation 1321 Zulu. Wind 060 at 04. Visibility 8. Sky condition overcast 4,400. Altimeter 3011.
So the wind is 060, so I'm going to put us on our runway heading. The wind will be from our left when we take off, so we'll put our left wing down and more right rudder. You want to call that you're departing 16? You don't have to.
No, but I know I have to.
But you can. Shelby County and 91 Lima departing 16.
Just 91 Lima, you wouldn't even say your full
Yeah, you
call
don't
sign?
even have to.
Oh, wow.
No one's listening.
Shelby County Airport, Cessna 91 Lima, departing runway 16.
Voila.
Yeah.
See, these are the ones to practice where no one's around. Alright, finals clear on my side. Looks good
Looks
over
good.
there.
Okay, wind from the left.
Yeah, we see the flag. It's not going to get us until we're above that tree line. Good, everything's green over here. Airspeed's alive. Good. Right rudder, square you out. Good. Yep, and then it's whatever aileron dip it requires, so it might not take a bunch,
Yep.
it might take a little. It takes what it takes. Immediately raining. We're gonna do a left turn to 063, which is crazy. But we're going in the northeast. Passing over Talladega. We're about to cross the time change. So we've ended up between cloud layers again. Just cruised. Okay, so the dots are the time change, and this is the Georgia-Alabama state line. We're not going to see any of it, but it's really exciting.
Habersham County Airport. Automated weather observation 1512 Zulu weather wind 050 at 10 gust 14 visibility 7 ceiling 2700 broken 4200 broken temperature 19 Celsius dew point 7 altimeter 3025.
I think I can see the runway, but I always think I can see the runway.
I think I see it.
Is it? There's like a shiny
there's like a white
thing?
spot.
Yeah. Okay.
Directly in line with it. That's what I'm seeing.
That's what I think's the runway. Habersham traffic, Cessna 809 Lima, 10 miles to the southwest, planning on landing runway 6, Habersham. For 8 minutes, you can start working your way down. Habersham traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, 7-mile final for runway 6, full stop, Habersham. Go so fast as we've been going all day. Habersham traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, 3-mile final, runway 6, full stop, Habersham. Decks, flaps in transition, fight that lift. Habersham traffic, 91 Lima, 1-mile final, runway 6, full stop, Habersham. Good. So there's that wind that they were talking about. What gives you more lift? Awesome. So let's drive over to the right and grab our center line, because we can. Look, we got time. Let's go get it. Hey, you have time even still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's much slower than you think it's going to be.
Oh, it feels so fast. Habersham traffic. 91 Lima is exiting runway 6 at Charlie, taxiing to the FBO. Habersham.
You want to jump out here and I'll just wait till they're gone?
Sure.
That works for you?
I'll take it. Thanks. Bye.
We did a pit stop and we're on the move.
Abersham County Airport.
We're checking the winds are the same.
Weather observation 1551 Zulu weather wind 040 at 11 gusts 16 visibility 7.
Now we'll go runway 6.
Ceiling.
The girl inside asked if it was smooth out there today, and I was like, we haven't had any bumps, and we've come all the way from California. She's like, you're kidding. And I was like, no, it's been a dream.
Might as well tell them you came from Alaska. They still won't believe you.
I know. Habersham?
Habersham?
Habersham traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, taxiing to runway 6 via Alpha. Habersham. Some of that might be true. Habersham traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, departing runway 6, Habersham. Oh, I like that we can't see the end of the runway.
That's cool. I know it's there.
Yeah. Everything's green over here. Little bit of right rudder. Awesome. Good. On the move. You're doing so well, Ken.
Thank you.
Yeah. And you won't believe it, but we're on our course. This is the South Carolina-Georgia border. So this little mountain range, Blue Ridge Mountains. This
It's just it's a power line trail, but
It is, yeah. But that's good.
I'm guessing it's probably on the border.
South and North Carolina. No, it's exactly the border. We are in North Carolina.
Danville Regional Airport. Wind 050 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point 01 Celsius. Altimeter 3031.
And you can just tell them that you're 10 miles southwest.
Yep.
Gonna land runway 2.
Danville traffic, Cessna 91 Lima is 10 miles southwest for runway 2. Danville traffic.
Woo! Phenomenal! We are 7 minutes out. We can start down the hill.
Cold down here.
47 degrees. It said 63 at the field. 5 mile final, runway 2.
Danville traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, 5 miles out for runway 2.
Cool. Good sight picture. How's it look? How's it feel?
Feels pretty good. Danville traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, 2 mile final. Danville traffic.
Looking good. And a fun reminder, those lights guide you to the 1,000-foot bars, which are the big white ones.
Yeah.
And it's a 6,000-foot runway, so we don't need all of those. That leaves us with 5,000. If we land halfway down, we still have 3,000. We're set. Good. Yeah. End of the runway and hold yourself off. Good job. Little balloon, so keep that back pressure in and it'll just slow down eventually.
Nope.
Look, 2 for 2.
Flying again.
That's okay. You will always find the ground.
Yeah, I prefer not to though.
Every single landing you find the ground.
Well,
That's the thing. If you just hold yourself off, you will land.
I know, but I want to hold myself off steadily. coming
Smooch it.
down.
That's okay. You came in with speed because you were high. It's all good. Echo gets you there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Danville traffic, exiting runway 2 at Echo.
I would go that way.
Yep.
Danville.
Just making sure nobody else is.
This is Virginia. Just barely passed over the border. Our last fuel stop.
shade. Our last fuel stop in Danville, Virginia was $100. It was much cheaper to fly than drive across the country. Last fuel stop and we're on the move.
Clear.
Yes.
Danville traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, taxiing to runway 2 via Alpha Danville.
Danville traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, departing runway 2. Danville traffic.
Final is clear. 6,000 feet. Airspeed's alive. Oil temperature pressure green. Driving around. Out we go. A little bit of right rudder to square yourself off. Woohoo! In the upwind.
Definitely felt different trimmed, but I like that better.
Yeah. On course is 061. We'll see what it actually turns into. We just figured out how much it costs to fly across versus drive across, and it's shocking. It's much cheaper to fly. Guess how many hours into the whole flight we are? Don't peek. Did you peek?
No, I didn't look.
Okay.
Well, we were 24?
Yeah, we're 24.75.
Okay.
Plus, oh, plus 3.
So we'd be like 28, probably.
Yeah. Wow. Crazy. We are flying in between the DC SIFRA and the Presidential TFR in Philly. And we're going over the Chesapeake Bay, which we see. We see the Potomac River, and we're like 2 hours from where we're trying to be. This is the plan. And then over here, we have these restricteds we're going around. The Chesapeake Bay. And Maryland straight ahead. If you had to guess how far away we are from the destination, what would you guess?
1 hour, 38 minutes.
132, 131. Good guess.
I've been impeccable since the time.
Yeah, I guess so, geez. We are over the Delaware Bay, which connects Delaware and New Jersey. We are less than an hour from our destination, allegedly. By the time we get there, it'll be 28 hours of flying over the course of 3 days. I would like to say I maybe flew an hour and a half and Ken did the rest. Ken crushed it.
Monmouth Executive Airport, automated weather observation, 2205, Zulu, wind 300 at 06, visibility 10, sky condition clear, temperature 10 Celsius, dew point -08 Celsius.
6 minutes out, we got the Atlantic Ocean in sight. Our coast to coast was a success. Mama traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, 10 miles to the south, gonna land runway 32, full stop, Mama. This is the Parkway.
There?
Yeah, the Parkway takes us to the airport too.
Oh, you just mean the road?
This
Parkway?
road? Yeah, you could take the Parkway to the airport. Mama traffic, 91 Lima is an extended left base for runway 32, Mama. Mama traffic, 91 Lima, turning 3 mile final, 32, Mama. Final's clear. Dropping 10% of the flaps, 10 degrees of the flaps rather. Trimming down. Last 2,000 feet are unusable. It's a 7,000 foot runway. Right, okay. Just gonna be aiming for those runway numbers. I think we're doing stuff together.
It's all yours. You can do the final landing.
We'll do it together. That's only fitting. Mama traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, 1 mile final. Mama. All right, better. All right, we're gonna go left. There's gonna be a little yellow line for us to follow right here.
Leave you when I see it.
There it is, there's yellow line. Mama traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, exiting runway 32 for the parallel taxiway, Mama. Mama traffic, 9-1 Lima's clear of all runways. Mama. And we did so good. Coast to coast. And that was right at 28 hours. That's exactly the math I did. That is so much flying, Ken. You did so good.
I don't know where I'm going. by the way.
Huge jets. Oh yeah, you turn right here. Thank you for saying that.
I think it was something like that. But
I was on autopilot because I was like, Ken knows where we are. We're here. Oh, we have Mr. Flagger. Wait, don't turn it off yet. This is classic.
We made it!
Oh, it's cold.
They're very cold.
What's up, dude? What's up, Jesse?
I'm in New Jersey, dude.
Yeah, it's awesome out here.
Hi!
What's up, cutie?
Hi, Jess!
What's up, bro?
Hey, you.
Hi.
That's cool.